The cam sensor is located where the distributor shaft is. It takes place of where the distributor cap used to be. So this is direct ignition now. So here's the cam sensor. What we do is we're going to take the connector off, push down on that pin, and pull the connector off. Now you can see from the age that these mounting bolts heads are pretty bad. They're wasted actually. So a pair of locking pliers. I have twisty sockets that I'm going to try, and hopefully we can get those off without them snapping off. So I found the twisty socket that will fit, and it's like a 4mm. And let's hope that it actually takes it off. Oh, look at that. With a little finesse, I tapped on the socket. I got the right fit, and I broke it free without it snapping. That's a heck of a try. There we go. Once you take those two mounting screws out, you're just gonna lift up on the little sensor. Now I'm just going to take the new cam sensor. I put a little anti-seize on the threads so that they don't break off for the next person. Line them up, put the cap down. Always just use your hands, fingers to tighten them. You don't want to cross thread something this fine. Drilling and tapping something this size is not fun. Bottom out with our hands. Now I'll just use a 1/4" ratchet. And we're just going to snug it. There is no torque specs because it's such fine, small mounting bolts. You just want them tight. Like anything electrical, you always want to check your connector, make sure that that's not corroded, not melted. Check your wires for breakage. Everything looks good. You're ready to slide it back on. Pull it on until it snaps. You'll hear it click. There you go.